Thanks for joining me here at LALIK'S kitchen. I'm back in my kitchen. I've been traveling a lot lately. I've been busy with my work. I went to Texas, I went to Chicago. I'm going to make videos on this trip too because I have a lot of interesting information to pass it to you. Anyway, I'm back and I'm happy to share my recipes with you. Today we are going to cook together green beans and eggs, Armenian style. And this is what it's look like. It's delicious, easy, nutritious, and so fast to make it. And if you want to learn how to make this delicious dish, stay with me and we'll make it together. I will start with boiling a pot of water on the range. And at the same time, while it's boiling, I will cut my green bean. I think I got a little too much water, but it's okay. I'm adding salt to the water and going to bring it to a boil. While my water is boiling, I'm cutting the green beans. Those are the long green beans, long and flat green beans. Those does not have the string and it's easy to clean. If I'm not mistaken, those are called Paul Quing Romano type beans. There are several different types of beans, but this is the flat one and it grows about 10 to 12 inches. I'm also using half a bunch of dill, it's handful. I'm also using the stems. I'm not cutting it off because I like the way it tastes. Like I said in the beginning, you can use different kind of herbs. It doesn't have to be dill, but it tastes better with the dill. We always use dill. If you don't like dill, you can also use parsley or different kind of herbs. I'm also using one big onion. You can use half of this if you like, but I like onion in my meal and I use a lot of onion. I'm cutting it lengthwise, but you can cut it smaller if you don't like to see it in mixed with the beans, but I like it longer. Some cut it lengthwise and some chop it smaller, so it's your preference. My water came to boil. Now I'm adding the beans. Like I said, it's a lot of water, but it's okay. You can cook the beans to your liking. If you like it al dente, you can just turn it off and put it in a cold water and stop the cooking process. But if you want it more cooked, then continue cooking. It's up to you. I have drained the beans. Now I'm going to add about 3 tablespoons of butter. It's about 3 tablespoons. And sautéing the onions with the butter. Once the onions are caramelized and it's translucent, just like this, we can add the green beans. I cook the onions and the green beans together for a few minutes just to marry the taste. And now I'm adding the eggs. Closing the lid so the eggs will cook with its own steam. Once the eggs are cooked, I'm adding the dill. And once you add the dill and mix it, it's ready to be served. And now I'm going to enjoy this with my mom. And I have saved some of the dill so I can garnish it at the end. I'm adding more dill on top just for a garnish. I'm also adding 2 slices of tomato just to give it a nice contrast, and tomato and beans, it tastes good together, and it also gives a little bit of a color to the plate so it will look more pleasant to the eye. And this is what it's look like. Green beans with eggs. It's so yummy and so easy to make. Let's make it. I hope you liked my recipe and I hope you will give it a try. Have a wonderful day, wonderful week, and wonderful life. Bye bye.